On Saturday, Tesla offered a sneak peek inside Giga Berlin for the first time. In this video report, you're also going to see the 5 colors Tesla is painting the Model Y in the Giga Berlin factory. Friends, you have heard that and seen that Tesla has announced, Elon Musk, that Giga Berlin is going to have the most advanced automotive paint shop in the world. And we have a sneak peek thanks to our friend Jurgen, who tweets at GF for Tesla the 5 colors that Tesla is making Model Y at Giga Berlin. So Tesla has offered a peek inside its new Giga Berlin facility located about 20 miles, which is about 32 kilometers southeast of German capital Berlin. And the area where Tesla is building Giga Berlin factory is in Grünheide. To celebrate Giga Berlin's completion, Tesla had invited members of the public to a kind of country fair event that included tours of the new factory. Held on Saturday, the Giga Fest kind of shining was also attended by Tesla chief Elon Musk. Our friends from Giga Berlin area, Jurgen, Tobias, have shared some videos. I will have some links in the description of this video. Giga Berlin will assemble the Tesla Model Y for European customers and also produce batteries and powertrains for its electric vehicles. You're seeing some wonderful pictures thanks to our friend Jurgen from inside Giga Berlin. The production looks like everything is ready for the production, and I think we are just maybe, who knows, maybe weeks away from the production of the first Model Y at Giga Berlin. But I also see in this video and in these pictures that the Tesla is maybe doing test production of the Model Y. You see the castings, you see the beautiful colors shining. So Tesla is keen to fire up the production line before the end of this year, and by the end of 2022 wants the plant pumping up between 5,000 to 10,000 electric cars per week. Now this will amount about 10,000 electric cars per week, amounts to roughly 500,000 vehicles per year. Each year has 52 weeks, so 10,000 vehicles per week, that means 520,000 vehicles per year. But Giga Berlin cannot begin operations until local authorities give their consent, as they continue to assess the facility's environmental impact on the surrounding area. Ever since plans for the plant were first laid out in 2019, environmental protesters have been insisting that building the factory will adversely impact wildlife and local water supplies. And I've reported about that, continuously at this Torque News YouTube channel, friends. The dispute continues to this day, with protesters still intent on protecting parts of the site that are yet to be built upon. As part of efforts to get protesters on site, Musk has said that Tesla will plant more trees that it felled during the building project and use as little water as possible to reduce the impact on groundwater levels in one of Germany's driest regions. That's what people say. It's one of the Germany's driest regions. And in fact, I think Tesla said that they will plant 3 times more trees than they fell to build Giga Berlin. Despite the difficulties, those attending the Giga Fest appeared determined to have a good time. Bloomberg described the atmosphere as festive, adding that visitors lined up for Model Y test rides, a Ferris wheel, and tours of the factory interior. And thanks to our friend Jurgen, we have some wonderful pictures from the factory interior that you're seeing on your screen, friends. Musk also retweeted footage of a dance party held by Giga Berlin as part of the Giga Fest celebrations. It's not clear if the video shows some other insights from the Giga Berlin. So friends, while you're watching our friend Jurgen's pictures and video, please let me know what your thoughts are on inside Giga Berlin. It seems to me that the factory is ready. And also look forward for my next report, which is going to be about Tesla's newly released updated Giga Berlin render. It has some also it's complete with graffiti art, and I'm going to mention there that I hope it's real beautiful art, not gang stuff like we see in the United States or other parts of the world, but I hope it's a beautiful art. So look forward for my next video for that. Tesla's release updated Giga Berlin render. And let's continue watching this report, these beautiful images, and please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you found found this video interesting, please tweet it out, share in social media, and give us thumbs up. This is Armin Harayan from torquenews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla electric vehicle news reports and ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. And also please give us thumbs up for this video. I'll see you soon in our next report. Let's continue watching Jurgen's pictures that he has shared. Have a great day. God bless you, everyone. See you in the next report.